I would like to talk a bit about the monetization of 5G, and one of the key use cases that are seen as one of the first and most important use cases for 5G, and which is fixed wireless access. So, I mean, we're seeing the number of 5G deployments globally is growing. In some countries, I think this 5G is reaching a very significant level of maturity. Of course, in Africa and maybe in some more developing countries, 5G is still growing. But operators and CSPs, as they invest in 5G networks, the biggest question is, how do they monetize 5G? How do you return the investment on 5G? Currently, we have a couple of use cases which we are seeing in the market being used. The first one being the extended mobile broadband. This is where your normal users, your normal 4G users are taking up 5G services so they can have faster speeds. They can enjoy this, data services at better speeds and faster speeds. The challenge with this is, for most CSPs, is creating commercial models for their normal consumers. And we're seeing that EMBB has not so far been the best, or let's say the most popular use case, because the investment for 5G still, demands for higher pricing models, and we're seeing that operators are trying to create different pricing models based on speed, tiers, and all that, but it's a challenge. The question is, what can be done to quickly bring in 5G into people's hands and homes and usage? And it appears that a use case which has become popular now is the fixed wireless access. Now, what's the fixed wireless access? Basically, traditionally, we've had some home users and small businesses and even large businesses that have been using fiber, or let's say other transmission solutions, transport solutions such as microwave, to connect their homes, their businesses to broadband services. But now what we're seeing is the beauty with 5G. And using fixed wireless access, we are capable now of bringing the broadband services to people's homes and small enterprises and even medium and large enterprises by using 5G as a solution to connect the end users and the network. So fixed wireless access is now becoming, globally is becoming the use case that is for most operators who are bringing in 5G. You see that 5G is being used to give fixed services to users. And when we talk about fixed, we're saying fixed in terms of two things. Fixed in the first dimension of fixed in terms of location, but fixed also in terms of the speed. Providing a dedicated speed, and operators working with vendors like Ericsson, we can support, and we do support them with building these custom tailored solutions. Let's say service levels for our customers by using technologies like slicing on the 5G, quality of service to give the end users dedicated and committed speed rates for their fixed wireless access solutions. So fixed wireless access is gaining prominence, and we believe that, and we have seen in markets, even emerging markets like in Africa, a lot of our CSPs, our customers and our partners are deploying fixed wireless access, especially for the home users, which is becoming interesting for those who used to enjoy broadband services with fiber. Now they can replace it with fixed wireless access, and it has a faster time to market. You can easily bring broadband services to people's homes, and you can still give them the same level of experience as they would have had if they had an FTTX or a fiber to the home connection. So in principle, what are we saying? As 5G becomes more popular, we expect to see more home users and small businesses connected with fixed wireless access. And maybe over time, When 5G is evolving, more advanced use cases can come in. We believe that now we're using non-standalone networks of 5G. When we expand to standalone, we'll have other use cases which will probably also be crucial for monetizing 5G in the CSP's network.